If you're looking for an open source e-signature platform, you might have come across DocuSeal, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this tool offers and whether it's the right choice for your signing needs. DocuSeal aims to provide a straightforward e-signature solution that's open source, which is a big plus for those concerned about data privacy and customization. At its core, DocuSeal allows users to create, send, and manage electronic signatures securely. The interface is clean, making it user-friendly for both tech-savvy individuals and those less familiar with digital tools. One standout feature is its flexibility. Being open source, you can modify the software to fit your specific needs, which is a rare benefit in the e-signature space. However, while the basic functionalities are there, some users might find the lack of advanced integrations or features compared to established players like DocuSign a bit limiting. It's designed for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and even non-profits. But potential users should be aware that the documentation isn't as comprehensive as one might hope. This could lead to some confusion during setup or usage. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the open source nature of DocuSeal is a major draw for many. You get a customizable platform without the hefty price tag of some competitors. The interface is intuitive, which makes it easy to get started. However, there are some notable downsides. The lack of robust customer support can be frustrating if you run into issues. Additionally, while it covers the basics, users looking for advanced features like automated workflows or extensive integrations may find DocuSeal lacking. For those who prefer a straightforward, customizable solution, it could be an excellent fit. But if you need a more comprehensive suite with extensive features, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, DocuSeal is a solid choice for anyone seeking an open source e-signature platform, especially if customization is a priority. However, if you need advanced features or dedicated customer support, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try if you fit into its target audience.